What's up, guys? How's it going? Zach here at headquarters, Stratton Brott, here in Pleasant Grove. Just wanted to take you guys, show everyone the office, kind of introduce you to everybody we have here working for us right now. Here's the entrance right here. Little festive cheer we got going on. The wreath. And some jingle bells. This is Jen.
Hey.
Jen, did you get that wreath? That's beautiful.
I didn't, but I think Peggy did.
Peggy? Well, let's go meet Peggy. Jen's over all of our purchasing. She sits here in the front, welcomes everyone. She's our smiley face when everyone walks through the office.
That's so good.
And a pretty poinsettia. Looks like we're getting some Christmas cards from some people, from our vendors. How nice is that? Mountain Valley Stone. This is the accounting in here. This is Peggy. Hi, Peggy.
Hi.
Peggy's our bookkeeper. She's like the best ever. And this is Diane. She's the controller. She's in charge of all the money and everything.
Hello.
She runs the show. Everyone says I'm in charge, but in reality, Diane and Peggy are in charge. They keep us in the money. So here, this is where Kevin, my dad's, his office is. He's over, he actually is who Peggy and Diane work with. They report to. He's over all the finances. He's not here right now. This is where HR is. What's up, KJ?
Hey, dude.
Our HR guru.
Hey.
He keeps everybody happy.
Well, try to be.
Tries to, at least. Here's the conference room. This is the board. This is just our snow removal board. We are having about 70 employees leave on Friday and this weekend. All of our visa guys and all the guys heading back to Mexico.
We have the conference room.
This is the conference room right here. There's Peggy and KJ. Look like they're gonna have a meeting, so we better step out. Here's some of our guys. These are kind of the guys we have highlighted next year that need to move into a foreman, supervisor role, crew lead role for next year. What are you guys meeting on? Can I record it for Facebook?
No.
Okay. All right. Too bad. That's why KJ's over HR. He keeps me out of trouble. Thanks, KJ. All right. So down the hall here, right here is my office. Got the sign open for business. Whenever I'm in a meeting, oh, fumble. Flip it over. Closed for business. Please do not knock. Cerrado por negocios. This is my office right here. There's my desk, file cabinet. There's the refrigerator full of my drinks, stuff like that. Brigham Young University. And I got my master's, my MBA from UVU. Right here, that's my pillow. Whenever I get really tired, I just lay there and take a quick little power nap. It's really nice. Here's Amber. What's up, Amber? She's our project assistant, one of our project assistants. Right here is what we call the bullpen. That's where Chris Riley and Hiram, they work in sales. They're out making it happen. It's where Amber sits. Here's Zach White. What's up, Zach? He's the other Zach. We call him the other Zach, the cool Zach. This is where John C. works. He is over all of our maintenance, making the snow removal happen. Bye, cool Zach. This right here is our estimating room, project manager room. Here are the Maines brothers.
What's up? Hello,
They are the heavy hitters. They are the guys who take on the big jobs. Those two right there. This is where John Brott sits. John's up working at the University of Utah. I know we're in Utah County, but we do a lot of work for the University of Utah. So they're big deals. Here's Richard. Richard is one of our estimators, gets it done. And here's Perry, the head big dog, Perry Brott, right there. Perry and Richard ring the dinner bell for us all to eat. Right, Richard?
Yep.
Rings the dinner bell. All right, so there's the office right here. We're gonna head out and go visit some job sites now. Go see some of the guys in the field. I'll show you some of the pictures of the projects we worked on. Tijuana Temple right there. That was in Mexico, we finished that one. Brigham Young Park, this is up in downtown Salt Lake City. Another picture from Tijuana. Right there. This is from the Sandy City splash pad. This is a residence up in Park City that we did. Like, no joke, that house is a monster. Some more pictures. What's up? Oh, Amber got us the address to the U-View. We'll be up there. Some more pictures. Bye, Jen. Buy cheap stuff. Here we go. Had to run home and grab my buddy Maxwell. This is my son Max. We have the plague going on in our house. Last night, my second oldest had strep. We had to run to the doctor last night, like midnight. It's terrible. Anyways, get loaded up in our Stratton Brott truck.
My foot.
What happened? You squish your foot?
Yeah, let's see.
Say hi, Max.
Hi, whoever. Wait, what is this going on?
This is gonna put us on YouTube, bro. All right.
Wait, Dad, you
are the
actually
keys?
want that to happen?
Where did I leave the keys? Oh, that's like the story of my life.
Your keys. Where'd the keys go?
You have them? Are you sitting on them?
Maybe.
We gotta go find the keys. They're probably inside. Here we are at the Saratoga Springs Temple site, Founder's Point. What do you think, Max? It's pretty cool.
This is so cool.
A lot of the heavy guys over there moving a bunch of dirt. That's where the temple's gonna be. They're building the pad for it right there. Clear over there is where the school is at. That's the entrance of our project. I just got off the phone with Alfredo. Tell you what, those boys are cruising. They've probably done maybe 1.5 miles of road already. They are cruising along. Anyways, they're clear back here. He said they're clear back here around the side today. There they are. I had to bring out the Tahoe to fit them all in. Everyone doesn't fit in the truck. They're taking off.
Dad, is this your workshop?
Look at that right there. So see that bedrock they're blasting through to get that finished up?
Are they getting dynamite?
They get jackhammers on the end of these big track hose.
Oh yeah, you mean tractors?
Yeah, these track hose right here.
What?
What do you say? Yeah, those are the guys that are doing utilities. It's called an excavator, track hoe. Excavator. So here in Utah we call them excavators, but other places in the country they call them track hoes. Stuff like that. So they've clear back here, he said. Clear back here.
Clear as in the heart attack. These are one of those things that you shot. Like, oh no, so they have a heart attack. Clear.
Bzz, bzz.
Ooh, that's cute.
So this is where the temple site's gonna be right here.
Temple sites.
Yeah, all taken care of.
Taken care of.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Steamroll.
That's ready to go.
Steamroll.
Here's the truck.
Your truck. Is that your truck? Yes.
That's the truck I used to be driving right there. We put a snowplow on it though and gave it to the guys.
For now. For
Here we go.
Here we go.
There they are back there.
Dad,
What's up, buddy?
What other company is working here?
So the two companies that are working here are just us and Sunrock. Us and Sunrock. Here they come.
¿Va a hacer una película?
Pues claro, güey.
¿Y cómo se va a llamar?
how's it going?
Por aquí andamos, ya está. ¿Cómo anda? Good. Good. Esta, la que tenemos que pescar, ¿no? Hacemos esta primero. Ahí está, la de 4, y la de 2. Para que quede bien. You guys going fast. Get your ass going. Yeah. So, vámonos para tener que parar porque la South Road va un poco lento. Aquí va el mero templo. ¿Mande? El mero templo va aquí. Ahí va a ir arriba. Right there. Ajá. Ya le andan bajando el cerro. ¿Sí miras? Ya. ¿No has venido cuando le avientan las explosiones? Ajá. Aquí al lado, sí. Ahí a medias, ahí. Pone la dinamita y boom.
Well, you guys ready to go back to Mexico? ¿Ya listo?
¿Estás listo para regresar a México ya, dice?
Oh, ya.
Sí, sí. Está bien, ahí. Yo voy a hacer una vuelta.
¿Dónde se va tú? ¿Salvo? Hey, moving the pipe right there. Offs right now. This is a Deloy Hansen special. Really big apartment complex, huge. Doing a water feature right there by the entrance sign. It's gonna look really cool when it's all said and done. So they're not working on it today, or maybe they're at lunch. This property, we do all the landscape maintenance and we're doing the installation. So we get up here in the middle of the night and plow this thing. Looks to have about 4 of the buildings that are done and occupied. Come around down here to see if we can find our guys. Old Rodolfo is down here. Here comes Arturo. Going the way! It's our new Kubota loader we got. It is 630 arm. Esta bucket se llama más o así nomás se llama?
Ah, porque tira.
Oh. ¿Qué onda? Okay. So apparently if he loads it up more, it makes a mess. That's pretty cool. That's a good bucket pull right there. Stratton Bratt, there's our job trailer. ¿Qué onda? ¿Dónde anda Rodolfo? Over there? Okay. Here's Soleil Apartments. Did a good job running the drip. I don't like it when they do that with the plants right there. They have to come back and do it again, but what do? You gotta put down the bark, and a lot of times when they ship us a semi full of plants, not everything gets on the semi. That's just the reality of what it is. ¿Qué onda, Eri? ¿Qué onda? ¿Cuántas pulgadas de tierra estamos echando, sabes?
¿Pulgadas aquí?
Sí.
Son como 6, 7 pulgadas.
6 or 7 inches of top soil right now. Okay. This guy right here on this excavator, he is very good. What's up, Rodolfo? ¿Qué onda? What's up, Oscar? ¿Dónde está su Costco?
Ah, ya.
Get your hard hat on.
¿Vas a correr?
No. Yeah, right? Go to Mexico next week. What's going on?
This week.
This week?
Nada, andamos preparando para plantarlo porque ya se viene la nieve.
That's right.
Tengo que acabarme el barmush que tengo ahí.
Are we putting too much dirt right there? Looks like we're
Sí,
going too deep.
6 inch.
6 inches? Okay, is that what the contract is? 6 inches?
Before it's 12 and right now it's 6 and grass 4.
Okay, so
And
6.
before it the grass 8 inches.
So they can change it
So
up.
it's not half right now.
Okay. All right. Time to visit El Baño. You live there, buddy? You live? Hey, here's the U of U rehab project. Look how green this grass is. We had it shipped up from St. George. There's the landscaping crew. What's up, guys?
Hey, Zach.
Hey! How we doing? This grass is green. Straight from St. George. Hey, pelón, ya se acaba ya mero?
Ahora nos dejan trabajar, aquí estaba lleno de chingaderas, ¿te imaginas?
It's looking good.
Ya mero, ya un 70% is ready, man.
Monday?
70% is ready.
70% ready, huh?
Yeah.
When are they gonna? When's the big open house? Do you know?
Next May.
Next year?
This side in the building, this side is low.
Yeah, they're still working on the building. We're just trying to get all the landscaping done. Very good. Very, very good.
¿Y ahora?
¿Qué onda, Chuy?
¿Y ahora qué vinieron? Tu papá vino en la mañana y ahora otra vez tú.
Ya, es que mi sobrino tiene cirugía ahí mero mero.
¿Sí?
Tiene mal corazón y
¿Aquí abajo?
sí, ahí en la primary. Yep, right there. Pero ya salió bien todo bien.
Mira acá están los otros. Los otros que nos pintando el rojo que pintaron.
Oh, that rock right there? Looks good. You ready to go home to Mexico?
Amen.
Did you get your airplane ticket? ¿Ya compraste su boleto, güey?
Ya.
When you leaving? ¿Mañana cuándo vas? ¿Mañana? Oh, domingo. Es día 15. Mañana no es 15. Here's the water feature. That looks pretty good. There's John, our fearless water feature guy. That right there is one intense Netafim job. Look at that, clear down there. We built all these rock walls and ran all this drip tubing all over. Holy cow. That's what they were talking about. Pretty awesome.